Everything in your life is about to take a positive turn. Don't give up. So many good things are coming. Happiness is not about getting what you want all the time. It's about loving what you have and being grateful for. Being happy is a very personal thing and it really has nothing to do with anyone else. Keep going. Everything will come to you at the perfect time. Your comfort zone is not a prison, it's a choice. Choose to expand it.